Welcome to AI Store Maker Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to get an affiliate ID from Rakuten of Sephora for your AI fashion store. Here it is Sephora.com. But if you want to join their affiliate program, you can go all the way down. And you can see here affiliates, click here and it will take you to their affiliate page. But you cannot find any details related to their affiliate. I mean the basic details we want to know, we cannot find here. So what we will do is simply fill out our online registration form here. So we will click here. This is their sign up form. I mean we need to create our account. Once you will click here, it will take you to this website. Linkshair.com and Rakuten Advertising. Now if you are thinking we were on Sephora, what is this Rakuten Advertising? Rakuten is our network where we can join thousands of friends and we can get their affiliate links. Now, the Sephora.com affiliate program is also available on Rakuten Advertising. Now once you will create your account here, it means you are creating your account on Rakuten Advertising. And inside Rakuten Advertising, not only Sephora, but you can also join thousands of other brands. You can get their affiliate links. Now as you can see, we need to provide all these details. If you are thinking why they are asking for so many details because we are creating only one time our account, then we can join thousands of other brands also. That's why they are asking for all of our details. I mean your country, everything. Your address, your contact, first name, email, security question, username, password, and primary website. If you don't have a website, don't worry, provide your Facebook page, URL, or Instagram and then provide all these details. Go down and click here. Sign me up. Once you will click Sign Me Up, you have your account on Rakuten Advertising. Then you can join Sephora. Now in my case, I already have my account on Rakuten Advertising. You can see it's RakutenAdvertising.com. I will click here Log into Affiliate Publisher because we are here to join the program's affiliate program. So we will click here for Affiliate Publisher. And then we need to provide our login details. As you can see, log out successfully. Because I was logged in here, I will say log in again. And then these are my login details again. I will click here login once, you will click here login. Here. It is the dashboard. You will see your dashboard which will look something like this. There are so many brands available. We can join their affiliate program. Now, what do you need to do? You need to click here Programs and you can choose the category or just click here Program. And you can see all the categories available. You can see auto businesses and carriers. Okay. Clothing and accessories, computer and electronics. Now in one category, you will find so many brands. So we will write here Sephora and click Enter. And now you will see this brand. As you can see, Sephora KR, Sephora PR. So you can choose anyone. You can see it here. So we will click here. It's for different countries, I mean for KR. As you can see here is OK, this is for Brazil and this is for Australia. So it's up to you which one you want to join. Or you can join both of them. So what is the commission here? You can see a 5% commission. 5% commission. The cookie period is 30 days here and 30 days here. What is the meaning of the cookie period? If you don't know, it means anyone clicks on your link and they will go to Sephora. Maybe they will just check the products and they will not buy anything and they will close their laptop or mobile within the next 30 days. If they come back and they buy anything, you will still get a commission because your affiliate cookies are saved in their browser for 30 days. So this is the meaning of the cookie period. So just click here, apply, and you can apply for their affiliate program. Just with one single click, you can apply, and once you will apply within 1 or 2 business days they will approve you. Then you can start making money. Once you will make money, you can withdraw your money into your bank account. Now anywhere you will see networks, all networks are paying through a bank account. I mean they are not paying through maybe small Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or maybe PayPal, all of them. They are paying through bank transfer. So this network, the Rakuten advertising network, is also paying through a bank account. So you can provide your bank account and get your money. So I hope you understand everything. Their sign-up process, their cookie life, their commission, and their payment method. Thank you for watching.